Digital logic is the brain of every electronic device, from your digital watch to the smartphone in your hand. But how do these machines make decisions? They use the building blocks of digital circuits, logic gates. A logic gate performs a specific logical function. It takes two or more inputs, either low or high, and produces a single output based on its internal rules. Let's look at the most common ones. First is the AND gate. Think of it as a both or nothing gate. The output is high only when all inputs are high. If even one input is 0, the output is 0. Its expression is F equals X times Y. Next is the OR gate. This is the either-or gate. It produces a high output if at least one input is 1. The output is only 0 when all inputs are 0. We write this as F equals X plus Y. The NOT gate is unique because it only has one input. It's an inverter. If you give it a 1, it gives you a 0. If you give it a 0, it gives you a 1. Now let's meet the opposites. The NAND gate is an AND gate followed by an inverter. It's 0 only when all inputs are 1. Similarly, the NOR gate is an OR gate followed by an inverter. It produces a 1 only when all inputs are 0. Finally, we have the exclusive OR or XOR gate. This gate is picky. It only outputs a 1 if the inputs are different. If both inputs are the same, the output is 0. By combining these simple gates, computers perform billions of calculations every second. You've just learned the alphabet of the digital world. If this helped you understand logic gates, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you next time.